The mother of one of the 4 victims of the University of Idaho murders speaking out.
Ethan Chapin's mom, Stacy, is explaining why her family won't attend the upcoming trial of suspect Bryan Kohberger, which still has no start date, by the way. This is because of all the procedural delays. Our Morgan Chesky has the story.
I mean, we're a regular family. I mean, kids played soccer and sports, and then all of a sudden we were the top news story in the nation.
Stacy Chapin opening up in her first podcast appearance, hosted by actor Taylor Lautner and his wife, Taylor.
We really only had 2 choices, and one was to just literally curl up and call it a day, which isn't an option, or we're going to start putting the pieces back together.
It's been more than a year and a half since Stacy's son, Ethan Chapin, along with Xana Kernodle, Madison Mogan, and Kaylee Gonzalez, were fatally stabbed in their home near the University of Idaho campus. Suspect Bryan Kohberger was arrested 6 weeks later. A judge entered a not guilty plea on Kohberger's behalf. The victims' families, though, still awaiting a trial date.
This rape, we may never get to trial.
Amid a deluge of pretrial motions and hearings.
Will you attend the trial when it finally happens?
No.
Will anyone from your family?
I don't think so.
Chapin first explaining that decision to Savannah on Today last year.
It doesn't change the outcome. It just is energy that doesn't feel like it's well spent. There's other places to put it.
Now telling podcast The Squeeze, the family's at peace with the pace of the proceedings.
Nothing changes the outcome. We cannot bring Ethan back.
The family of another victim, Kaylee Gonzalez, voicing frustration with ongoing delays through an attorney.
The families need something to look forward to. They need something to happen in the cases rather than just hearing motions all day long, every day of every month.
Meanwhile, Chapin says the social media frenzy surrounding the case has taken a toll.
The true crime nation is shocking. But at the heart of every true crime situation is a family like mine.
The Chapin family focusing on honoring Ethan's memory every day.
I mean, we have said, you just have to get up and be the best version of you.
And another way Ethan's family has honored him, they've also created a scholarship fund in his name called the Ethan Smile Foundation.